is a beautiful morning in the village. Hi guys, so in today's video I will carry you guys along on how I process my ngu. Yeah, so the one I told you people about. So guys, can you see this? Yes, look at this, can you see this? So this is the chaff of the chaff that we got from the palm kernel. So as you can see, we use it to light up the tongues of the palm kernel. Yes, so this is exactly where we get our ngo from. This is where we get our ngo from. So as you can see, the ngo is already burning. Yes, so that is it. You don't use kerosene or fuel or diesel. You don't use it here because it will definitely affect someone's health. So we use this. We use the chaff of the palm kernel to light up the fire. But before that, you have to allow the tongues here to get dry. So it must be dry before you start lightening up. So that is it. That is what you are seeing over there. So leave it for some time to burn. Everything has to burn and turn to ashes. Then guess what? You get your ngo. Yeah, this one had its medicinal benefits. We've burnt the other one already, of which I wasn't present when they were doing it. But this one is the Akwojuku one, the one that we got from the Akwojuku. Yes, so this one has a special medicinal benefit. So that is it. I'll be traveling with this one, so I'll be making use of it. Guess what now? For my abacha and dudu and all of that, so I will use it for it. Yeah, for now. So I will be waiting for the ngo to burn, and after burning I will allow it to cool down for some time. Then before I will pack it up. So that is where we Igbos derive our ngo from. But there is one thing about this ngo: it doesn't purge like potash. We call it account in my side. It doesn't purge. Like, you can use it for anything. You can even use it to make what's it called, soap. Yes, as well. So that is it. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the end product of the ngo. Can you imagine that huge stuff? This is it. Yeah, look at what it looks like before. This one didn't burn, so look at what it looks like before. Yeah, so after burning it, you will get exactly something like this. I will leave it to cool down for some time. You see, it has turned to ashes. Can you see it has turned to ashes? So we use it to prepare food, abacha. You can even use it still hot. You can even use it to prepare soap. Yes, so it's called ngo in my side. You can still call it a substitute for potash. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. We use this zinc to we use this zinc to burn it so that it will not come in contact with the sand. Yes, so that was the reason why we burn it on top of this zinc, so that it will not mingle with the sand. So guys, this is what it looks like. Our local ngo. Yes, our local ngo. So that is it. Okay guys, that is it. Guys, that is it for now. I am just preparing stuff to travel back with. So this is what I normally do whenever I travel. Yes, these are the things I normally do, because you hardly see it where I am living. And not only that, I love to travel with the stuff that I made by myself, homemade. Yes, I don't know whether you love doing so. So if you are like me, that you like to do things that you know you can do for yourself by yourself, I hope you understand what I mean. So just leave your comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think of. So guys, that is just it. I'll go and do some other things. So guys, these are the way. So guys, sorry for not carrying you guys along initially. It escaped my mind, but this is exactly the way we are processing our palm nuts. So this is the manual way of doing that. So I'm pounding that. I'm doing that manually. So we are done cooking it. So we use this pot to prepare it. Yeah, I think this is the last batch of it. So that's it over there. After pounding it, we will go ahead to extract the juice from the palm nuts. Yeah, that will be the next thing to do, of which I'll be carrying you guys along. So after extracting the juice from it, then the next thing is for us to start cooking the juice. So we set it on the fire till the oil starts extracting from the juice and all of that. So guys, this is what it looks like, the first one. So we'll be throwing away this particular stuff here. Then I will find a way to remove this oil from this. Then I'm going to use this thing for something else, so I will throw it away. Yeah, you can still use it to mold our local, and there is this local stuff that we use for lightning and all of that. So that is it for now. This is my life currently in the village. Yeah, I'm preparing stuffs because I will be traveling any moment, anytime soon. So I'm trying to put things in place and get things ready before traveling. So if you are in Nigeria now, you will know that palm oil is like gold now. It's like gold. So if you have any means of getting one or anything of that nature, you don't have any other option than to go for that, because see, it's very, very expensive. It's very, very expensive. So guys, I don't know how you guys prepare yours, but you can still leave that in the comment section down below to let us know how you do yours. So these are the ways, these are the things I do anytime I travel, to get things in place, so that at least I can be able to enjoy the organic stuffs and all of that. So that is it, guys. So I'll go ahead to carry you guys along. As you can see, I have my help here. I have someone helping me. I have someone helping me to do that. I can't do that alone. Like, it's very, very stressful. Yeah. So that is it, guys. I will show you guys the remaining one. So guys, this is it before you start pounding it. And since you know that we are in Harmattan season, we are in dry season, so everything, the palm nut is already strong and all of that. So we'll go ahead to soak it inside this water. This has been the place I've been collecting the palm fruit. Yes, this is exactly the place I collected it from. So I'm going to remove these last ones now, then to cook it here, yeah, with the firewood. So that will be the last thing I will do. Then the next thing is for us to extract. So these are the ones that I did yesterday. Yes, so this is the palm nuts, and this is the fiber that came out from the palm kernel. Yeah. So guys, that is it.
I was born feet in the dust. I built my reputation.
hot water. So this side is hot. This is hot water. And this is cold water. So the hot water will help to extract the oil very well. So go ahead to extract the juice from the palm nuts. Then while we juice that we got from the palm fruits is already boiling at this point. So can you see this foamy stuff? Yeah. Thank you so much for crossing by. If you're a new subscriber, and to my OGs, you guys know how we roll it here. Sorry the way I'm, my facial expression and all of that, just that I'm close to the fire and all. I would like to know how you process your palm oil. So this my manual way of doing that. Yeah, I'm doing it all by myself. Yeah, with some little help that I'm getting from my loved ones. So that's exactly what is going on here now. So I'm waiting for the juice to boil well so that the oil will come out, and also in order for the juice to segment. So yeah, so that the oil will come out. So that is what I'm waiting for right now. So that is just it, guys. That is just it. I'm still working. I'm not yet through. As this one is boiling, I'm working with the other ones, of which I'll be showing you guys. So guys, this is the juice that I extracted from the palm fruits. Yeah, so the work is still going on. So guys, over there is the juice. The outcome of the whole thing. As you can see, I will still go ahead to move all this stuff. See. So guys, this is the outcome. I'm using this spoon and the jug. I used it to collect the oil from this one. As you can see, there is no oil here again, so I will go ahead to dispose this. Yes, so this is not all the oil. Can you see? So this is the oil. Yeah, so that's it for now. These are the oil that I got. So these are the oil that I got, but it's not all.